Hello guys, welcome back. It's Lilian Bonari again. So let's prepare carrot chapati today, the soft ones. So I'm gonna grate my carrots using this part because I want the carrots to be really soft like this. And then once I finish, we're gonna mix with hot water. So my water is already hot, like not warm, I use hot water. So yeah, just a minute guys. When the carrots are ready, you add salt. Okay, that's not so much salt, and very little sugar. So mostly my partner likes chapatis that have less sugar and more salt, or salt only. So kasukari kadogo tu kakuneutralize. That's it. We add our 2 cups of maji. The water is ready. Okay. Nitatumia mwiko juu maji ni hot sana. Sasa maji yote kuna vile nimeanza kusikia uvivu wa kupika chapati. So, and then now you add unga. I'm using ajab. You can use any type of unga yenye unapenda. So mimi napenda ajab. So at first tutumia mwiko juu maji ni moto sana. Koroga. So I'm gonna do this mpaka unga ishikane kabisa. Okay. Fast forward guys. Fast forward. You make 3 holes. 3, and then make sure kuna space upper between the dough and the basin. Okay, sorry about that. So you heat your oil. So I've already heat my oil. This is very hot. How do you know it is hot? You test it with we call ikikanika inatoa bubbles, unajua it is very hot. Right, so this is what is gonna make our chapatis soft. So unaweka hizo 3 holes, alafu hii ingine unaweka huku sideways. And then now you mix mafuta with the dough. So you have to be very careful usichomeke. So you have to be extra careful guys. In that mood, I would like you to take a second, subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up so that the video can be recommended to other viewers in YouTube, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe, about the steps that I've taken. So once you put the hot oil in your dough, you make sure you mix completely. So I'm gonna mix these until you cannot tell whether there was oil. So you have to knead it completely. So here you have to use your muscle energy to knead your dough. Okay, tell me how your day was, guys, and where are you watching this from? I'm in Kenya, Nairobi. What about you? Where are you? Are you in Somali? Are you in Uganda? Are you in Nakuru? Are you in Machakos, Kitui? Are you in the US? Where are you? Could you comment with your country and flag? Alright, so we're done. I do really appreciate for watching this video. So once you're done, see, you cannot tell whether there was oil. Once you're done, you cover your dough. So we're gonna cover our dough for like 20 to 30 minutes so that the oil can mix completely, or to let the dough rest to ensure that it's soft enough. So leave it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. So we're gonna be back after 20 minutes, okay? Guys, this is how our dough looks like after the 20-30 minutes. Yeah, so it's soft enough. It's very soft, as you can see. So soft. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're going to divide our dough into equal parts, and then we start cooking our chapati. So I usually dry my chapatis first for easy cooking. I dry all of them. So I roll as I dry. I found out that this is an easy way to do, especially when you're doing it alone. So I dry them and then I cook. Yep. So at this point, depends on the easiest way for you. Some people find it easier for them to cook chapati moja moja, but I find it easier for me to cook chapati tatu tatu ama tano tano, because even that way you make your chapatis more soft because they lay over each other. So let's do this, guys. It's gonna be a fast process and then see how it goes. 5 months and a half. So mama ametupikia hapo nyama, viazi na I think sijui chapati ama ilikuwa ugali. Tuko na mtu anataka tu kumwona, anataka tu kukula. Ile anakuja. Karibu na sahani tukasema situmwone viazi na soup tumpe. That's it's the first time. We akakula. Akakula viazi kama tatu hivi. My friend usiku. Amkula. Mtoto alilia. Oh yeah. Guy. Mama akatwambia, "Haya, pambaneni na hali sasa." But me is the fake. Mimi unaona huyu. Mimi namtestishana. Yes, simply ati akule vizuri. Ile tu juu amefungua mdomo ili anaonjesha tu kidogo. Kama ni ugali sana kuna ugali. Na unafinya hivi nampea. Ugali ni zafinya, si kama rice. Nampigia tu nampea 2 3 basi. Bileta hosio liniambia, nilikuwa nimeuliza sasa nitapea mtoto unga gani ya uji. Ananiambia on advising. So it's time for presentation, guys. I'm gonna fold my chapatis into rolls. I'm gonna roll them over and then cut them into halves when they're rolled. Alafu will go enjoy our lunch at 4 p.m. So let's have a taste. Mm. Very sweet.